In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable DRM in Firefox. By the end, you will know two different ways to turn it off and what changes on your favorite sites. First, open Firefox. Once it loads, you should see your usual home page or whatever tabs you had open last time. If Firefox is already running, you can stay on any page because this setting is in the main menu, not tied to a specific website. Now click the menu button, the three horizontal lines near the top right of the window. When you click it, a panel slides out showing options like New Tab, History, and Settings. This confirms you are in the right place to adjust how Firefox handles media. From that menu, select Settings. Firefox opens a new tab with a left sidebar and several sections in the main area. You might see general options at the top with scrollable content below. Take a moment to let the page finish loading so all categories show correctly. Next, go to Tabs and Browsing, then Media. You will usually find this by looking at the section labels within the Settings page. As you click into it, the main pane updates to show options that control how Firefox handles tabs, browsing behavior, and audio or video playback. Within the Media section, uncheck Play DRM controlled content. When the box is no longer checked, Firefox immediately stops using DRM for new media you open. A lot of beginners expect a Save button here, but in this screen, every change applies right away when you click it. After you uncheck that box, Firefox will disable DRM playback and remove any downloaded DRM components, such as the Widevine CDM. You might notice a short moment where Firefox cleans up those files in the background, but you do not need to restart the browser. From now on, any site that depends on DRM will usually show an error message or a prompt asking you to enable DRM again. If you prefer a more targeted approach, you can instead disable only the Widevine plugin. To start that method, open Firefox if it is not already running. This method is useful when you want the main DRM setting available, but you do not want Widevine to run at all. With Firefox open, press Ctrl-Shift-A on your keyboard to open Add-ons and Themes. A new tab appears listing your installed extensions, themes, and plugins. The left side shows categories, while the main area shows cards for each item. Next, click Plugins in the left sidebar. The main panel switches to a list that usually has just a few entries. Each plugin shows its name, who provides it, and its current activation setting, such as Always Activate or Never Activate. Find Widevine Content Decryption module provided by Google Inc. in that list. Once you spot it, look at the right side of its row. You should see a button with three dots, which opens a small menu of actions just for that plugin. Click the three dots menu next to the Widevine entry. A small drop-down appears directly under your cursor with options such as Always Activate and Never Activate. This menu is where you can control how and when Firefox is allowed to use Widevine. From that drop-down, select Never Activate. The status beside the plugin updates to show that it will no longer run. Firefox keeps the plugin installed on your system, but it will not load it when a website asks for DRM content. After you do this, Widevine is disabled without being uninstalled. Any DRM video that relies on Widevine, like many streaming sites, will fail to play or show a message that playback is not supported. If you ever want to reverse this, you can return to the same menu and choose a different activation option. Keep in mind that after disabling DRM, services such as Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and some music or video websites may stop playing protected content. Their pages will still load, but videos or songs may refuse to start or show a black player with an error label. Some sites even display a banner telling you DRM is required and linking to instructions. Also remember that disabling DRM affects only DRM protected HTML5 media. Regular videos that do not use DRM will continue to play normally on most sites. For example, many tutorial clips or personal videos embedded on blogs should still work exactly as before. You have now disabled DRM in Firefox, either through the main media setting or by turning off the Widevine plugin. If this helped you control what Firefox plays, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you want more clear Firefox tips, consider subscribing as well.